I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to transfer money from Affirm to Square, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Log into your Affirm account. Start by accessing your Affirm account through the app or website. Ensure you have your login credentials handy. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once logged in, locate the section for money transfers. This is usually found in the main menu or under account settings. Step 3. Select the amount to transfer. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the src.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter your Square account details. Provide your Square account information, including your email or phone number linked to your Square account. Make sure there are no typos to avoid delays. A common mistake is entering an incorrect email, which can lead to failed transfers. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transfer. Review all the details and confirm the transfer. You should receive a notification once the transaction is successful. If you follow these steps, transferring money from Affirm to Square should be a breeze. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to check the help sections of either platform. Happy transferring!